Shut up, Lydia. Let me see. Hi. Why should I every time I add women they have bad network? Hi. Lydia, I hope nothing. Hello. Your audio is not working. Okay. Attack someone else. Let me see if this person would come.
Hello.
Hi.
My pretty.
And her network has gone. That's good. Well, she's out. So, this is what I'm talking about. Anytime I add women, the network just trips. I don't know why. Let me add someone else. Oh, I add like this.
Oh, I love it. Ocean drive in the sky. Oh.
Let me see.
I'm outside, babe.
All right, baby. Hi. Hi. Your network, like, I can't hear anything.
Can you hear me?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good.
Can you speak louder, please?
Yeah, can you hear me right now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hi, what's your name? How you doing?
Yeah, my name is Oyewole.
Eh?
I'm actually surprised to see you.
Your name is what?
Oyewole.
Lowole?
Wale.
Wale. Oh. Hi, Wale. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm a Yoruba guy. I can't even see. I don't know. Just sorry.
All right. I don't know about that. We gotta go. Hi. I don't know whether he came here to do fashion contest. But I'm gonna go outside, guys, because I'm tired. Hi, baby. Hi, I'm going to stay at the hammock.
Okay, try. Just try it. See what I want to do.
The hammock? First of all, why is it wet?
What's me falling down?
Wait. Yeah.
I'll help you.
I'm tired.
This is how.
And I'm holding my drink. You help me and you're sitting down.
I have to put something down. Stop. You're going to hurt yourself.
No, I'm not. Right? And then
I told you to say yes.
is this how you felt when you were trying to climb it? Really?
Drop your drink.
Take my drink. I will no longer be doing the hammock thing.
So fucking dangerous. No, you just need to just wait. Okay, put your phone down. Wait, don't. Yeah, try and balance in the middle. Yeah, don't go to one side. You'll fall. Okay.
I don't think I can come out of this.
Yes, you see why I called you. Viva forever.
Please look at Lydia. Best in body. We outside. Okay, Lydia, I'm trying to come out of this hammock. Yeah. If I fall, just know that I have a lawyer.
This one is even low. The one outside there is I was still falling on my face.
Now I'm all sticky because my drink spilled on me. No, it's about the stickiness of my body. I'm going to change. I don't like so much sticky. I feel sticky. Yeah. Everybody say add me. I add you guys. Your network is shit. So I'm tired of adding you guys because your network is shit. That's it. Maybe if your network wasn't shitty, I would add you guys. I'm never climbing that hammock again. Let me see. What else is on the live? Oh yes, I was going to show you guys the coolest thing here. So yeah, outside of this space. No, don't close. So you have like a place, it's like your leg is dirty. No. You have like this little pool to rinse your leg. Which is what I'm doing. Like if your leg has sand and then you walk into the house, and that's my favorite part. Okay. I think I'm going to go off live. I'm tired. Okay guys, so I'm out. See you guys whenever I decide to come out of isolation again. Bye. Thank you to all that joined my live. Bye. Okay, let me see if I should actually add one more person. me see. I'll add one person and then I'll go to bed. So who's the last person that I'm gonna take? Who is the last person that I'm gonna take? Let me see. Hmm. I just hurt myself trying that fucking hammock. I hate it.
Hi. Hi.
Hey,
Good morning.
hi.
Jesus, I was expecting it seriously. Good morning. How are
Good
you?
morning. I'm great. How about you?
I'm great. Sorry, like I'm just very excited. I was not expecting it. Like I could not sleep and all, so I was just like reading a book and I felt I should just join and I'm so happy. So nice to see you.
It's nice to see you. What's your name? See? All the women telling me to add them. All of you have bad network.
My network is bad. Hi. So how is your day going?
My day is going great. How about you? How's your day going?
Like it's just so great now that I'm speaking with you. Like you don't know how excited I am. Like guy, like I've been following you up. I've been like even when you were in the house and all, I know that I tried my best to vote. And my dad loves you particularly and I was so like
Your
very
your
grateful.
your dad loves me.
Yeah, like not like you understand,
I
like
guess
he
that's
likes a lot.
so
Like he
nice to
likes you
my
seriously
regard.
a lot. Yeah, so I'm really very, very happy to see you. Like it's a privilege, like us talking and all. So
So what's your name?
yeah, my name is Stephanie Anito. I'm from Anambra State, Agulu to be precise, but I'm sure you don't know this part. So yeah,
You live in Nigeria?
yes, I do. I'm in school, though. Like I school at Unizik, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Oka here. But yeah, I'm a student.
How's school like? What are you studying?
I study international studies. I'm in my finals now, but currently we're on strike. So, like, I'm just in school and thinking of my business and how to get busy, of course.
You have a business? What do you do?
Yeah, I actually make lip glosses and I make cocktails, like part time, kind of. Mm,
That's nice. You do
yeah, thank you.
lip glosses
Thank you
and
very much. Yeah. So, I
so
really don't know what to say. What?
what are you studying in school?
I'm studying international relations. International relations.
Do you plan on using your degree?
Eh?
Do you plan on
What did you
using
say?
your degree?
Yeah, I do actually. I'm planning on furthering my education when I'm done because I'm in my finals now. So yeah, I hope so.
So you want to use your degree?
Yes, but then like anything that life has for me, guy, I'm just down. That's all.
That's great. You're really gorgeous.
Thank you. You're perfect. If I'm gorgeous, you're perfect. Just take it that way. Wow.
Thank
Very,
you.
very happy. Yeah. So maybe anytime you come to the east or just like I really, really genuinely like you a lot and I respect you and I feel like who knows, with time we can be friends if you're down or something. If you don't
If I'm
mind.
that friend,
Yeah.
friends,
Mm-hmm.
someone asked me this, and I said like
Yeah.
I already have a circle.
Okay.
Um, so I don't know. to be honest.
No problem. It's okay. Just it's cool. Just
I will
it's
think
just
about it.
okay. No problem. Thank you very much.
You're
Okay.
welcome.
Yeah. And now.
Thank you for calling, gorgeous, gorgeous girl.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. She's gorgeous. Let me see. Let me call someone. Let me see if he'll pick. Uh-uh. Okay.